All right, guys, today we're going to be talking about brake setup. So, when you get your brakes, let's say you buy a brand new set of brake pads. It's going to come with all these washers, guys. Okay? Look at all this crap. So, when you get them, you're going to be like, what the heck? Where do I put what? What do I... Okay, these are just washers. You're not going to use all of those. You're only going to use a few. So don't get confused, because I'm about to show you how it's supposed to go down. Now, this is for big rippers. Might be good for big flyers. I don't know. I'm just talking about the big ripper today. Or maybe if you have another big bike, V-brake setup, this is what works on my bike. So if you see, you're gonna have one big spacer, and then there's like a oval spacer that kind of sits in the big spacer. And then on this side, you're gonna have a big spacer and a small washer. So I'll show you that right now. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab your big spacer and then your oval washer. Now look, one side's flat, one side's oval. The little oval side will ride on the inside. Oh my God. Hold on. I just dropped everything. Okay. So that little oval side is gonna ride on the inside of this bad boy. Okay? See how that is? So what you wanna do, you grab that, then you grab one of these. One side's flat, and it's gonna sit in there. And it's gonna be perfect, a perfect match. See how that sits? So then you're just gonna stick that sucker on there. And it's gonna look like that. Okay? That's gonna go on the inside. So when you put your brake on, it's gonna sit like that. And then you're gonna put it on. It's gonna be like that. Only that part's gonna be sticking out. So then you're gonna grab another spacer. If you can see, I'll show you here. Another spacer and a flat washer. Just a little flat one. So you're gonna grab this one. Has two flat sides, both flat. And then that's gonna go like that. And a flat washer. Boom. And then your cap. Okay? Goes on top like that. So when you're done, your brakes should look like this on one side. And on the other side, it should look like this. And I'll show you that installed. Boom, bada bing. And boom, bada bang. That's it. And this is set up from the bike shop. So I'm just copying what they did on this bike. And I'm gonna do it to this bike. So I'm just copying what they did. And that's how you set up some Coolstops, some box brake pads, any brake pads for your Big Ripper. That's how you set it up. All right? Don't get confused with all this other stuff. All this other stuff, trash. All right? Later.